Welcome to GATE 2021 model questions on control systems. Today's our topic is time response analysis. Let us see the question number 4. So they are given open loop transfer function of a unity feedback system. G of s is equals to k into s plus alpha by s plus beta whole square, where beta is greater than 0. And we have to find the values of k, alpha and beta to meet the following specifications. Steady state error for unit step input to be 0.1, damping ratio to be 0.5, and natural frequency to be √10 radians per second. So these are the options given. By seeing the options only and the question, if you see it, beta, compulsory you have to select greater than 0. Means beta here they are given as -1 in A option, which is wrong. Beta they are given in D option also -1, which is wrong. For beta can be definitely 1. And if you find either alpha or k, you can select either B or C option. Okay. In that manner, we have to solve this problem also. Let us go to the solution. The first data, whatever they are given, is steady state error for unit step input to be 0.1. And what is the mathematical formula is 1 by 1 plus kp, where kp is limit s tends to 0, g of s. Whenever substitute s is equal to 0 in the open loop transfer function, we'll get position error constant as k alpha by beta square. Substitute this data in the steady state error, we'll get it as 1 by 1 plus k alpha by beta square is equals to 0.1, or 1 plus k alpha by beta square is equals to 10. From here, we'll get k alpha by beta square will be equal to 9. This is let it be equation number 1. Next, another data, whatever they are given is damping ratio as 0.5, undamped natural frequency as √10 radians per second. For that, we have to find the characteristic equation. What is the characteristic equation is s square plus 2 beta s plus beta square plus ks plus alpha k equal to 0. And if you simplify it, you'll get like this. Now, when you compare this characteristic equation with the standard second order system characteristic equation, what is the undamped natural frequency we'll be getting as root of beta square plus alpha k, which they have given as √10. From here, we can write beta square plus alpha k is equals to 10. Let it be equation number 2. And damping ratio is 2 beta plus k divided by 2 root of beta square plus alpha k, which they want damping ratio to be 0.5. From here, by simplifying, you'll get 2 beta plus k is equals to 2 into 0.5 into what is root of b square plus alpha k is √10 only, and write it. But from here, you can write the third equation as 2 beta plus k is equals to √10. Let be equation 3. 3 equations are there, 3 unknowns are there. Definitely we can solve it. But beta value from the options, clearly we can know that it is given as 1. But when you select beta as 1, what we'll get from the first equation is k alpha by beta square is 9. And when you substitute beta equal to 1, you'll get k alpha is equals to 9. Even if you see the next two equations, beta square plus alpha k is equal to 10 is the second equation. From second equation, beta square plus alpha k is equals to 10. Whenever substitute beta equal to 1, from here also k alpha or alpha k will get it as 10 minus 1, which is 9 only. For beta, definitely it will be 1. Next, what is the third equation we have? It is 2 beta plus k is equals to √10. And when you take beta is equals to 1, from here you'll get k is equals to √10 minus 2 beta. And when you substitute beta equal to 1, root 10 minus 2, which you'll get it as 1.16. Clearly, when k is 1.16, which option directly you can select is option C only. Or even you can find alpha from any of this above these equations also. What is alpha? K is 9. From here, what is alpha is 9 by k, that is 9 by 1.16, which we'll be getting as 7.76. Hence, your correct option is C. Even if you solve the three equations, you can have the option, but beta directly from the options only can know that it is 1. And that is satisfying when you substitute in the equations also. And directly we can solve remaining alpha and k from the next two equations. Thank you. Any doubts, please ask in the comments box. Thank you very much.